Okay, welcome back everyone. Now we're going to create this what if data table. Now I want to scroll down this sheet and show you that below this table that I'm going to create is our profit and loss statement. And here's all the work we did in our last assignment and that I did in this demo. And we have our income section, our expenses section, and our summary section with a negative value for the net income or loss, in this case a loss. Now what we want to do is we have control over a couple of things. We can change the rent, the charge per square feet for the rent, or we can change the percentage of sales that we get from our renters. What we're going to change is we're going to change this charge per square foot. Now what I want to know is, since I'm running a net loss right now, I actually want to try ever increasing values of the rate per square feet. So what I want to do is I want to put increasing values, which increase by values of 0.05 each time. So I'll put a 1 there, which is 5 cents more than the value above it. And now I want to copy that all the way down. The way I do that, if you want to copy a pattern, you highlight both of these cells, go to the fill handle until you get the black cross, pull it down, and there you go. You'll get that pattern increasing in increments of 5 based on the first two. That's how Excel figures that out. Okay, now I'm ready to create the what if data table. Select this entire area, including this profit or loss right here, which is a reference, by the way, and it has to be. If you type this value in or copy it, it won't work. You have to reference it. Cell H50. If you scroll down, you'll see this is cell H50, which is calculated based on this value from a series of formulas. Okay, so this has to be referenced. All right, highlight the entire thing. Now you go to the data ribbon to do what if analysis. Here it is right here among data tools. Click on that. Click on data table. Now you can put in a row input cell or a column input cell. Ours is going down in a column. We want to put this 0.95. Now you select this one, not the one above here in the table. Okay, the current rent rate, which is right here. Why this one? Well, that's because that's the value that the net depends on. This one right here. Okay, so I'm referencing, I have to reference this in the profit loss sheet just like I reference this in the profit loss sheet up here. Okay, so put that in as the column input cell, the 0.95. Poof, and there you go. Like magic, there's our what if data table. A series of negative values, and then about right around here it goes from negative to positive. Okay, so if we were to make a guess about where the great break-even point was, what charge would you have to charge what rent per square feet would you have to charge to get this to break even? I guess a fair guess would be around $1.24, something like that, because it looks like it's closer to $1.25 than it is to $1.20. So that's my guess. All right, we've just created a what if data table. Kind of tricky, but if you follow the steps as I outline them, you shouldn't have any trouble. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is create a data plot, actually a scatter plot of this data, and see where it crosses 0 and we get the break-even point for this what if analysis. We'll do that in the next video. Thank you.